Lucy, Darren, and who is that? Lucy, Darren, and Karen. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, as usual, welcome to today's webinar. Today's Monday morning entertainment. Everybody type in MME, Monday morning entertainment. Okay, actually, I was last 2 days I was looking at the NFT market. I was like spending whole day looking at OpenSea, looking at things to buy, and think it's so fun, you know. Yeah. So yeah, actually investing must be also fun, yes or no? If it's not fun, no point doing also, right? Okay. So yeah, okay. So whatever I share with you today is education purpose. It's my own view, not the right view or wrong view, just basically my view of the market. Type yes if you agree. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first, as usual, we look at the market first, then we look at the individual stocks, and lastly, we're going to look at your stocks that you all chose. Okay. So for the public, can you all do me a favor? Help me to type like and share the post if you all can. Thank you. Okay, so first thing first, let's go through S&P 500. Well, last week, challenging week, right? S&P 500. Let's take a look. See whether long term is there any signal to sell. Okay, so long term is there any signal to sell? Type yes or no. No signal to sell. However, this candle break the low. Yes or no? Okay, this candle break this support. Okay, this support never, I think, never close below. Oh yeah, here it closed below before. Okay, but before that, since COVID, right? Since COVID, it has never closed below the thing until here, and now here lah. Okay, so in technical analysis, there is what we call a confirmation of a break of support. Okay, a confirmation of a break of support will be 2 candles below the support. Okay, 2 candle close below support. Some of the older folks will know, right? You need 2 candle close below support to confirm. Okay, so in this case, this candle close below the dotted red line, but the next candle reverse very quickly. Yes or no? Okay, so it's a reversal, so still represent bullish. So today, this week, we will see whether it can recover above here. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, looking at the how fast the move is, I think will be challenging. Okay, the move down is quite rapid. Okay, you see this down move has been quite rapid. So next few days, it must, within this week, okay, within this week, it must close above 4530, okay, in order to not close below support. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, do you mean 2 consecutive? Yeah, usually it's 2 close below support. Okay, so it must be above 4530 to be out of the woods. That means not bearish. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, if it continue to drop, then it is not so good. If it continue to drop, then will be if it didn't close above 4530, right? Then I think there will be a deeper correction. I think correction, how big, how deep right now from the top bottom? 7-8%. Okay, still can correct some more, yes or no? Okay. Okay, at average correction. Okay, last week I covered this, right? At average correction, how many days? Do you guys remember? Do you also remember the slide? How many days below 72 days? Very good. Wow, done, top student. And how many percent? How many percent? Do you remember? Last week I covered this. The average correction. No lah, not 38%. 38% liao already. 38% is not correction already. Okay, 38% is crash already. Okay, about 15% now. Okay, last week I just covered right in the slides. Okay, you can watch last week webinar. Okay, I think I don't need to go through the slide again, but I did that slide for you, all right? The number of days, and then the number of the how long is the percentage correction. Okay, and in my view, okay, this is only my view, we are not in a bear market. I think by now you all know, right? That yes, if you understand. Okay, you all know this part, right? I have already shared my view. Okay, my view doesn't mean the right view. It just means my view. Okay, I see whether I can call out the slide again for you all. Okay. Okay, so we correct some more. No, not bear market. Okay, guys, not bear market. Okay, in my view, okay, in my view, it's not bear market. It's a correction. Okay, on average, one correction a year, 72 days average correction. Okay, average correction 72 days from here to here, about 72 days. Average drop about 15%, and this is increased certainty, increased volatility, and media alarmists. Okay. I also mentioned in the market-wise event, right? This year, very likely we'll have one correction. Yes or no? That was like 5th or 8th of January. Yes or no? Very likely we'll have one correction because market is very overbought. Okay. So if right now, if let's say we have a correction, we still got way to go. Okay. And also 72 days, not yet 72 days. Yes or no? Okay, last year, what was the average correction? Okay, last year was the average correction, average percentage of correction since COVID. Okay, an average percentage correction from top to bottom. This is about 10%. This is about 8%. I think there's one here that's about 6%. Okay. Okay, guys, you all know average, right? Okay, average doesn't mean it will be 72 days. Do you follow what I'm saying? Average. Okay, last year the average correction only how many percent? Only 9%. It lasted for 1 month. 8% lasted about 1 month. Here, here I think higher. Okay, here about 6% lasted about almost 1.5 months. Yes or no? But it's an average. Okay, it's an average. Okay, guys. This is market-wise event which covered a few weeks ago, right? Okay. Conclusion: we are still on uptrend, but there's a correction this year. Off spelling mistake. Off 15 to 20% is likely. Okay, this one I covered in the market-wise event beginning of the year. Okay, guys. So any question? That good if you understand. Why is it so that I don't feel it's a market bear market? Why I feel it's not a bear market is because I cover this again. But for those people who are not here, yeah, this is every top the interest rate is at the high. Okay, every top the interest rate is at the high. Right now, interest rate high or low? Low huh? Okay, no, haven't even increased. Oh, by the way, do you all know why government increased interest rate? Right? Oh, I keep repeating myself. It's because the Fed think that the economy is strong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, the economy is strong. Okay, I think I don't keep repeating myself every week. If not, they all will be tired of me. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, guys. Can that good if you understand? Okay, so S&P 500 we have correction, not bear market. Okay, but saying that, not I mentioned this week, don't rush in to buy. Okay, don't rush in to buy. Last week there was a trading setup. Yes or no? On the weekly chart, there was a trading setup, but there was no trigger. That yes, if you all agree, okay, by now you all should know what I mean by trigger. Yes or no? Okay, there was no trigger. It just went past, let it go past. Okay, only when it start to trigger, then you get in. I think you'll be fine. If your holding period is more than 3 months, I think wait lah. Okay, don't rush in right now. That yes, if you understand, could Fed overreact and raise interest rate too fast? In my view, okay, what causes this inflation? Because they want to stop inflation, right? Okay, what causes this inflation at this moment? Think about it. Is it because the economy is very strong, everybody is using a lot of material, or is it because there was a supply chain issue? People cannot do this, there was a supply chain issue. Which one is it? Is it economy overheating? Okay, that means economy, people are buying a lot of goods, you know, because there's a free spending money, or is it because of supply chain? I feel it is because of supply chain. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, people are not at this moment, people are not like full recovery. You get what I'm saying? People are not in full recovery. People are overspending. People are over leveraging. People are you get what I'm saying? Okay, when people are at the top, people start to be very comfortable. They start to buy goods. They start the economic overheat. I feel that this is the beginning of the recovery. So because of supply chain, there is issue. Okay, once they sort out the supply chain, do you think rising interest rate will solve the supply chain issue? No lah. Okay, it will not solve the supply chain issue. Okay, so it will not solve the supply chain issue. Okay, another good news, not say good news. These are all based on data, guys. Okay, so I may be wrong. Okay. For the webinar, you all can go to members area, right? Watch the webinar again, okay? It is good that we raise interest rate. Why is it so? Where's my slide? Why is my slide? It is good that they raise interest rate because, where's the slide? Oh, shucks. Hang on. Where is it? Okay, it's good that they raise interest rate because theoretically, since average return, since all the rate cycle, okay, this average return, this I keep repeating myself, okay, but never mind, okay, 94, 99, 2000, 2005, the first increase in time, 6 months before the hike, the returns is low, okay, 12 months without hike, the interest, the returns is low for S&P, but after the hike, right, 12 months after the hike, the stock market actually go up, okay, 24 months and then 36 months after the hike it goes up, okay. So I think I don't keep repeating myself, okay, not next week I'm going to repeat myself again, okay, but you understand where I'm coming from, okay. I may be wrong, guys, okay, but this is my view lah. Oh, okay. How many first time hearing this? Type not me, is not the first time you're hearing this. Okay. Okay, you heard this before, so I don't keep repeating myself. Okay, okay. Next, waiting for the public. Okay, for the public. Next, daily charts. Okay, daily charts. So this is more of a correction. Okay, let's look at the chart. Let's look at the week monthly chart first. Okay, monthly chart is what? Monthly chart is overbought or oversold. Monthly chart overbought lah, overbought. Okay, but usually we don't look at monthly chart one because monthly chart is very it can remain over bought for years. Can you see here overbought, okay, it can remain overbought for many years. Okay, like here you see okay overbought can last for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is monthly lah, but so don't look at monthly, okay? Weekly charts. Weekly charts right now is overbought, oversold. Oversold, okay? I also covered this in the webinar before, this monthly chart uptrend but overbought, yes or no? Okay, 5 months, okay? Weekly chart uptrend during then few weeks ago, uptrend but overbought also, okay? Daily chart uptrend but oversold, okay? So I covered this a few months ago, not few months ago, beginning of this month. Okay, so right now oversold, okay, oversold on the daily charts, okay? And then lastly, let's look at 3 to 9 months outlook, okay? 3 to 9 months outlook for now. 3 to 9 months outlook right now, it is not good. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. I would say 9 months, I would say like maybe the next 3 months outlook, it's not good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So conclusion is, if you believe this economic cycle will continue, that means the Fed after will eventually increase interest rate, and then 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, the stock market will continue to rise. Then now at this moment, you should look at opportunity to buy on dip, but don't buy on dip now. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, if you are trading, okay, you are trading, then you should be getting out already. That means you are less than 1 month, you should be getting out. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Okay. Okay, so I covered this. Next, Nasdaq. And any question can ask, okay, public also can ask, okay, you all can ask also, so make it interactive. Oh yeah, I was thinking whether to change this format a bit, because sometimes I find it's a bit repetitive. Or do you want to change the format a bit to look at like current affair, current news? Type yes or no. Yes, okay, because every time I look at this. Okay, so if I do that, right, then I will not keep saying this, because guys, it's not the first time I mentioned this. Yes or no? Okay, no, so I will link news to the price. Do you follow what I'm saying? I will link news to the price. Don't say example, Facebook has this thing on metaverse right now. Yes or no? Facebook on this thing on metaverse. Then what does it mean for Facebook? Do you all follow what I'm saying? But I need to take something out. I cannot cover index, cover news, cover stocks, then cover everything. Then I will be challenged. Okay, so but I think it's good that we cover like the update for the week and then look at the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, some people say change, some people don't change. Okay, we see how. Okay, maybe do alternate or what. Okay, do all. Well, you're like too much Cannot do everything. Okay, also cannot do everything. Time is limited. Okay. Okay, let's finish up. Okay, let's finish up. So index. Okay, let's look at other index. Nasdaq is about the same. Okay, Nasdaq is about the same. Look at weekly charts. Okay, right now weekly chart. Interesting. Nasdaq is at support. Can you see that? That yes, if you can see that. S&P break below support, but Nasdaq is a support. That yes, you can see that. Oh, so it's a support. So let's take a look. Okay. Next. So as support, still bullish on Nasdaq. Okay. Next is okay. So clear Nasdaq view, and then daily charts. Daily chart 3 to 9 months you will get out. Okay. 3 to 9 months you get out. Okay, because there's no here got no trend, not very clear trend, and then break below support. Okay. Next, let's go to STI. Let's go to STI. Got question asked. No question, I move on. Okay, because I don't know whether I'm keep repeating myself or not. Okay. Do you think can short? I think generally for most people don't short lah. Okay, don't short. Okay, so STI, last week I mentioned something about STI. What did I say about STI? I also show you my slides on STI. Where? STI? MA still holding STI? Okay, STI is a defensive play. Do you follow what I'm saying? I also mentioned in the notes. Okay, I won't go through the notes. Okay, I just go through the notes. Because today got public, right? So must go through the. Okay, STI is like a safe haven, like a defensive stock. If risk off, then will rise or at least drop less than the rest. Okay, can you see what happened? Oh, defensive stock. Okay, you're still holding STI type STI. You're still holding. Okay, don't sell first. Wait for full recovery then sell. Okay, ours, this one is the long-term position, long-term 1 to 2 years, buy more when drop. So it's a long-term position. Okay. Weekly chart, daily chart. Hang Seng, similarly, Hang Seng is quite interesting. I also mentioned this in last week webinar. Yes or no? Okay, what did I mention about Hang Seng? Or these few weeks? What did I mention about Hang Seng these few weeks? Remember value can buy. Okay, if you got holding period, can buy now. Okay, can buy now. Okay, last few weeks we has been recovering. It will not be a straight line. Okay, I also mentioned this. But when it's scraping bottom and going up, it will not go up in a straight line. It will be slow recovery, but you can see that it's recovering. Yes or no? Okay. I also mentioned this in the. I don't go to the slides. Do not keep repeating. Okay, so how many of bought last few weeks, Hang Seng? Okay, you have time to buy. Okay, now to maybe the next 4, 3, 5 months you can buy. Okay, guys, and it must hold longer term. Okay, Hang Seng index. Next one is. Oh yeah, one more talk about value play. Okay, so I think the market, right, as the market recover, right, as the market recover, it may go into value rather than growth. Okay, value rather than growth. So you will look for more value lah. Okay, so look at things like the recovery. Okay, if let's say no more COVID, what will benefit from the recovering economy? Do you follow what I'm saying? Look at things like that. Got it? Any other index need to take a look? I think the rest no need because Nikkei, all this is the same. You can see yourself. Okay. Okay, guys. Any other index need to must see one? If not, Nikkei, I bet it's the same. Okay. Yes or no? It's the same as last week. Okay. What did we mention about Nikkei? Stuck in the zone. Okay. True enough, stuck in the zone. Yes or no? So it's stuck in the zone. Okay. So value play. Okay. What our value play is? Hey, by the way, very easy. You want to look at NYSE. Okay. Look at the last 1 week. Look at the last 1 month. What are the stocks that are in play? Oil stocks. I mentioned this before, right? Okay. Oil heading up. Yes or no? Oil stocks, recovery stock like Seng. This is oil related. Quite a lot of oil related stock. Then you have Seng, which is a recovery stocks. And we have one more, I think. I think it's there's one more. Anyway, you're going to take a look. Do you all follow what I'm saying? This will be the stocks that are recovering. Oil related stock, Seng will be those recovery stocks. Okay, month will be good. Okay, month. No need to do week. Week 2 cannot see. Okay, so oil related stock, recovery stocks. Okay, and even like defensive stocks will do well. Do you follow as a defensive stock? That means when because right now it's on the way down, right? So defensive will also do better than growth. Okay. Okay, let me move on. Taiwan, I don't have, sorry. Okay, let me move on. Any other index must see? If not, we move on. Okay, guys, this long-term theme is long-term, at least for the long term. Do you follow what I'm saying? What will oil drop suddenly? Don't know, okay? But we don't anticipate. Do you follow what I'm saying? We just follow, okay? The key is not to anticipate, okay? A50 will be quite similar to the index. A50, right? Will be quite similar to the Hong Kong index. Okay. Okay. Similar to Hong Kong index. In fact, China is more in China reduced. China I got cover, right? Do you all follow what I'm saying? China I got cover about reducing interest rate. Yes or no? I covered like 1 month or 2 months ago already. So we have this change in dynamics. I think I don't keep repeating myself. Okay, so China will be the same and will be more like Hang Seng looking for the buy on dips. Okay, already. Okay, 2800. That is the Hang Seng ETF, right? The tracker fund, right? Same as what we covered. So last 2 weeks are recovering. Okay, I don't think it will go up in a straight line. Okay, so if it drop again, there will be opportunity to buy. Okay. Okay, guys. Maybe just look at oil. Just for the what's the USO, right? Okay, oil has been breaking out of new high. Can you see? If you ask me, when will it drop? I don't know. I not God. Do you follow what I'm saying? But I know it is going up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Or when we drop? Right now is currently is what? Over? Currently is over bought. Yes or no? It's overbought. So is it possible that the 1 month drop back a bit? Possible into this area again. Okay, you all know how to see? By now, you all should know how to see this. Okay. That yes, if you know how to see the swing trade. Okay, good. Next, okay, just to show you, all right, how to know that what is in play. Okay, when you screen, right, monthly NYSE and you rank by month, you see all the oil related stock, right? This oil, natural resources, oil. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means that oil stocks is in play. Makes sense or not? Philip. All these are and this one 66. All these are oil related stocks. That means the oil are in play. Okay. However, for the next 1 month, can I buy today? Can I buy today? If I'm trading for next 1 month, can I buy today? No, wait for pullback. Okay. Okay, no need to say I assume you all know. Okay. Wait for pullback, but these are in play. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Wait for pullback, then you can buy. Okay. Next, how to add to sectors in Trader GPS? You can use a watch list. Okay. Do you have sectors? Do you have the sectors? I think you all have the sectors already, right? This one you have. Okay. If not, then you just use watch list. Okay. Then put in all this. Okay. Put in all this into your watch list. Then do a scan. You do a scan already, then you see right now what sector is in play. Energy, consumer, utility, these are the one in play. What is not, don't no good, consumer discretionary, no good. Do you follow what I'm saying? You all can do a screenshot of all this, or you can just Google ETF for ETF. Okay, then you just screen it over last 1 month, what's in play, over last 1 week, what is in play. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like utility, just like I mentioned, right? Utility is in play right now. Or defensive stocks. Okay. Type yes if you understand. Okay. Is it okay? Type okay if it's okay. Ask question if you don't understand. Go to watchlist. Watchlist, then key in all this watchlist. Put inside, then rank it. Okay. There are also websites that allow you to rank it also. Okay. Okay. So any question? Okay, no question. Let's move on. Okay, right now we got very little stocks. We sell, cut loss until no more stock. Okay. But on hindsight, it was a good thing that last 3-4 weeks we have exited some position. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. You're going to look back those stocks that we exited. If we didn't exit, even worse. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. So it's important to have a system. If you know system, then it's jalat. Then last week, last week, you cry. Okay. So now we have this stock. This left 2 stock today. This one exit already, left 1 stock only. DISCK, okay, which is last week's stock. DISCK. I haven't exit yet. Okay, haven't exit yet. Daily charts. Daily chart is daily charts. Okay, don't exit yet. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, don't exit yet. Okay. Wait for candle turn red, then exit. Okay. Can that yes if you understand? Another reason why I say don't exit yet is also because of this. Can see? That yes if you can see. So it breaks above, come back down, we test downtrend line. Do you follow what I'm saying? Of course, if it drop, then break below here, then okay. But if it doesn't, I think let's give it chance, okay? Because frankly, they have the red candle also. Yes or no? No red candle also. If you want to enter, will be swing trade, will be swing trade. Can you see? Swing trade setup. That yes, if you can see the swing trade setup. Then what is the entry? Here, stop loss here. This is daily chart now, daily swing. Okay, guys, that yes, if you understand. So don't exit yet, okay. I think here is quite clear, right? Downtrend, 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 change to uptrend, and then support. Yes or no? Quite clear, right? That is changed. Another way you can do is you can use this to help you. Is use what? GMMA to help you. Can you see? That yes, if you can see, downtrend, 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 change, and then green now pointing up. This one coming down. Which one is better, GMMA or the 2MA? To you lah. Okay, decide. Okay. May still be wrong, but trading, right, is trading, right, is what? Trading is making decision on incomplete information. That is trading. If you want like everything complete, then trade, then cannot trade. Do you follow incomplete information? Then you just make a guess. That is trading. Okay, so this one exited 29 November. We went in, and 29 November, I think we got in here. The high of previous candle high, got in and then exited. Okay, guys, that yes, if you understand. Does someone say miss the exit, then how? Miss the exit, then wait for. Okay, depends. Okay. Also depend on your size. Do you follow what I'm saying? Depend on your size. If you trade very big size, very hard. Okay, but you trade smaller size, on the longer term, this is what we call a pullback on the oversold position. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so it depends on your size. But by right, if you're using Trader GPS to exit, then you enter, then you use Trader GPS to exit. Okay, if you are doing swing, then you use swing to exit. Okay, by right, you should be doing that. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, next. But by the way, we have 400 people outside. Okay, so I know right now it's a very challenging time, you know, crypto also down, stock market also down, you know, but we are down together. Okay, so for those members of the public, I want to invite you to be part of our community. We do this every week for our community. So if you want to be part of this community, you can go to this link and sign up, CollinSeow.com/SWB. For the rest, you all know what to do. Type in SMT. If you recommend SMT to the people that are not in SMT, okay, thank you. Okay, SMT what? Okay lah. Okay. Actually, important thing must enjoy what you're doing. Okay, if you just want to suffer and trade and make money, I think better don't. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I want to suffer and trade and make money. Better don't. Okay, you must enjoy the process. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you don't enjoy the process of doing research, of studying, then and you just want to make money, then got other better way to make money, like go to work. You know, but if you want your money to make money, then you really must research. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, so come and join us. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, good. Next, Pfizer finish, or just ask people to join us after we cut loss. Yeah, okay, but that's trading. Okay, so next one, APH not triggered. I hope you all didn't run in before I triggered. Yes or no? Type in yes if you understand what is not triggered. Okay, not triggered because previous week didn't clear high, so this week shift it down. You can shift it down and wait for this week to clear high. Important. Okay, I mentioned that this is on the downtrend. Wait for it to turn. Okay. You can use the break prior high, or you can use the daily chart, then do some trend line. Okay. The whale profit, I teach you all one trick, right? Okay. Besides looking at trend line, there is one other trick that you can just know whether is it a turn. Okay. You can use the 40 MA to see whether it's a turn also. Okay. So price go above 40 MA, then you buy. Okay. So that will determine when it turns. Got it? Right now it's still on the way down. Okay. NTR. Last week, how come triggered? Okay, last week so down, huh? This stock triggered. Okay, so triggered, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, because last week, previous week high here got triggered. Okay, let me see which day did it get triggered. Wow, okay, quite strong actually. Okay, so it got triggered. And type in NTR if you are on the boat. Nobody on the boat. Okay, NTR. Okay, got we on the boat. Let's see how. Okay, stop loss. Remember, stop loss is dynamic stop loss one slightly below here. Okay, entry stop loss. Next one, Microsoft not triggered. MSFT not triggered. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Oh, by the way, if Microsoft get triggered, I will trade. Okay, if Microsoft get triggered like this, I will trade. Type yes if you understand. Okay, price goes up, come down, go into this region. If it get triggered, the keyword is if. If the price go above here, I will buy. Okay, if, of course, go for below 40 MA, don't buy lah. Look, triggered lah. Oh. Next, don't go all in. Don't go all in. Do your money management. How many percent risk? 5% for weekly swing. Okay, 5% for weekly swing. So if you lose 5%, or 5% for your swing trade. The ADI triggered on this week. Stop loss here. Yes or no? Okay, stop loss. That yes if you understand. Stop loss 6%. Okay. Microsoft not triggered. I got triggered. Not triggered, right? Not triggered. We only called last week, right? Okay, so let me move on. Long-term one, any stock? Yes, stop loss already. Stop loss already, ADI. Oh, we entered which week? Remember? We entered on this week. Yes or no? So on this week, the swing low will be, oh, haven't triggered. Sorry, haven't triggered. Alamak, haven't triggered. Stop loss over here. Okay, remove. How can I say triggered? Okay, haven't triggered here. Long term, any stocks. This one is long term, dollar cost averaging, buy more when correct kind of thing. Buy more when it drop kind of thing. Okay, every week ask the same thing. Same. Okay, no change. Okay, sorry, ADI no trigger is the previous week low. Okay. Okay, let me just go through some. 0700. 0700, I think can, if you're long term, can buy already. Okay, if you're long term, can buy already. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, this one long term down, yes or no? Weekly chart down, yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, can see weekly chart down. Okay, but it's not making lower low, yes or no? Low, not making lower low. And on top of that, if you go to monthly chart, it's at the value level already, yes or no? Or it's at this price already. And if you go to here, you can see it's at the value level already. That yes, if you understand. Question, how to buy? Haven't buy yet. Okay, how to buy? Many different methods to buy. You can look at trend line, you can look at cross MA to buy. Okay, or if you just dollar cost averaging now, 6 months dollar cross should be okay lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand. Okay, I do 3 guys, if not too long. Okay, 70045.hq. Well, you're still holding, very good. Okay, 0045. Bottom line must have a method to get in and out. Yes or no? How to, what was the code? Like that. Is it this one? Or is it Hong Kong land? Okay, I think I do the wrong one. Okay. This one you all buy not? This 0045. 0045. Yes, okay. So if you buy this one, also not bad. Can you all see that recovery since COVID? That yes, if you can see the recovery since COVID. This is March COVID. Test again. Oh, guys, if to sell this one, right, it's not like now. Okay, even though last week it went up a lot, it's not like I sell now. Okay, I make like this percentage. It is not like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? 23% very happy. It's not like that. I want to wait at least to a full recovery. That means here is the recession. At least I want to go, even if I go all the way up, I will go maybe 80% there. Then I sell. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay. Hong Kong land. You can buy now. This thing since last year, July here already. Can buy now. Up to you lah. You must with your strategy lah, or whatever your strategy is. Okay. Hong Kong land is about mid already. Do you follow what I'm saying? About mid already. Okay. Maybe recovery already. Okay. AR, is there a stock AR? Type yes or no. Do you have the stock AR? No lah, don't have lah. I don't think so. Okay. AR, I think, was here last time, maybe. Swing, is it? 1 month ago, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, it's not in our list. Okay. So ICRN. Okay, ICRN, you all keep asking, very cute one. You ask, still the same one, no change one. Okay, last this week, ask next week, no change one. Okay, still the same. Okay. Voted list, not the, okay. ICN, if you want to look long term, will be look at monthly chart now. Oh, okay, no change. Okay, no change. AR is from the voted list. AR is not our stock lah. Okay, AR not our stock. Okay, if I want to enter, it was maybe a swing, maybe. Oh, is it a swing? No, like not a swing. Weekly swing maybe. Yeah lah, weekly swing here. You got a draw line here, right? I think it was enter here, exit already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. Oh, anyway, I forget already. Okay, no, this one is 2, 1. Okay, okay, guys. Any other question? If not, let's look at your list of stocks. Okay, since we are hit on Ethereum, everybody asking Ethereum, I think better cover Ethereum also. Crypto. Okay, crypto, big change, a bit of change. Okay, I think it's good that we cover. Okay, we were doing the Bitcoin. We were doing this. Yes or no? We were doing this trend line support. I think it's like that. From here to here, trend line support. Yes or no? Type yes if you still remember. Okay, some kind of trend line support. Okay, but it broke the trend line. Do you follow what I'm saying? It broke the trend line. Okay, so if we break the trend line, can you see that this this part over here? If you do swing trade, weekly charts, yeah, I think something like that. Can you see? There was a trend line, and then it tried to recover and then failed. So it was a stop loss on the recover. Yes or no? Like yes, if you understand. Okay. So right now at this moment, I think it will continue to be down, or it will be sideways for a while. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, not 10K lah. 10K die already lah. Okay, not 10K. Okay, so where would it go? Where will it go? Oh, by the way, there are people that are buying. Okay, so where do you think is a good support for Bitcoin? Well, guys, in my view, okay, my view may be wrong. Okay, my view, it will not go to 10K or this kind of level. Okay, in my view, right now, if it start to not go uptrend, it goes sideways trend, then what is the support? Support is around here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, it's around here. Okay, that means initially we thought that it's from here, then continue to uptrend immediately. See, you follow what I'm saying? So right now it will be a sideways trend, so we'll play around here. So it will not like clear new high again so fast. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, why I don't think it's a double top. I don't think it's double top, but why I don't think it's double top? Because if you do price projection from here to here, double top price projection, you go all the way down to 3,000. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it is not possible, very unlikely. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you do a double top and this is the neckline, right? This is the neckline, and then you do a 1-to-1. 1-to-1 meaning to say how much it go up versus how much it go down. then it will go down to almost 1,000, which is not possible lah. Everything in life is possible. Yes or no? Okay, but I'm not in a camp lah. Okay, type yes if you understand. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Anyway, last week I post, right? There are $1 billion. Somebody took $1 billion and put into Binance. Yes or no? 1 billion is a lot, like. In the crypto world, is a lot, like. Okay. In the crypto world, is a lot. Can move the market one. Okay. Okay. And with the Fed printing money like this, you think can what? Go to 1,000? No lah, I don't think so. Okay. Oh, by the way, 1 billion, right, guys? When I put the money in 1 billion as a fund manager, do you think I will just buy everything one go? No lah. Slowly buy lah. Do you for dollar cost averaging lah? Do you follow what I'm saying? Dollar cost averaging lah over next 6 months. Okay. So anyway, it's just my view, right? It's not the right or wrong view, it's just my view. Okay, my view can be totally salah one. Okay. Now let's look. Thank you, Ting Ting. Okay, we got lunch. I think let's finish up. Okay. TSM. I think besides just learning trading, it's very important you learn the skill. Yes or no? Not just the what to buy, what to sell. You know, you must learn the skill. If you learn the skill, then it is much more useful. Yes or no? Okay, I think TSM will go. What is the time frame? TSM. What's the time frame, Sebastian or whoever? Position daily. Position daily. Okay lah, nothing, no sell signal. Correct or not? No sell signal. Okay, so this is a box inside a box. Can you all see? There's a box here. And then there's a box here. Yes or no? This box slightly break out. Okay. Do you think can buy? I think let's wait first. Okay, let's wait first. Okay, let's wait first. Let it settle down first, because right now haven't settled down. How to know whether it's settled down or not? It must settle down inside here. Do you follow what I'm saying? So now it's a bullish candle and a bearish candle. So question is, can it stop dropping around here? Do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. Can it stop around here? So your GMMA will be around here. So if it go around here and then start to turn up again, then can buy. Got it? 明白吗? Okay, next one. Ethereum. My Ethereum, I don't sell one. I am diamond hand. Okay, don't sell one. Okay. Ethereum average cost is still much lower than here. Okay. Ethereum, I think also same thing. I think this year, right, will not clear uptrend already. That means will not clear this high. Okay. That means likelihood it will be here and here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Sideways trend. Okay. Got it? Crypto always like that one. Crypto, the pullback are very big one. Okay. I mentioned for Bitcoin, right? An average drop for crypto is 30 to 40% dip. And also correction and not bear market. Okay, these are the historical correction. Okay. So depend on your time frame. Okay, if you're on a time frame, what you want to do. If you are long term, then of course you want to continue dollar cost average. Okay, at this price. Okay, I think the support will be here. The congestion is here. So how to see support, right? Is you see where the price congests. Okay, here to here is quite fast. Okay, here to here is quite fast. No jam. Okay. There was a jam here. There was a jam here. So jam is like a support. Type yes if you understand. There's a jam here. Jam is a support. In between here to here and here to here, no jam. Oh, so right now I think support will be here. Okay. But I think don't need to rush into buy. Okay. Because with this kind of big drop, right, it will start to go like that for a while. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. In my view may be wrong. It will not do like this lah. Oh, okay. My view may be wrong. Okay. That means it will not go back to 400. Okay. That is my view. Okay. I was sharing with you all here, right? That it's very simple. Okay. In the future. Okay, I may be wrong. In the I keep saying I may be wrong. You remember last time there are people that trade don't know internet one? Yes or no? Maybe my parents' time. So how to transfer $10,000 on the online? Cannot, I must go to the bank, pay the money, physical cash. Yes or no? Okay. Then after that, there are people like us, we are comfortable 10,000, 50,000 online, also no problem. Yes or no? Okay, but we go through a bank lah, because it's the first one and second one, what's the difference? Trust. Do you follow what I'm saying? My mama go to the bank because he believed the trust is to the bank. He must bring the physical cash to the bank. Do you follow what I'm saying? Trust ma, correct or not? Hello? But then now our trust increase already. Our trust is don't need lah, just do online, can transfer it. Trust. Type yes if you understand. We can do online banking. Trust. Okay. In the future, there will be people trust peer-to-peer. That means you want to transfer $10,000. What's your MetaMask? I just transfer to you. No need go through the bank. Trust also. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So there will be people who bring money to the bank. There are people who can do transaction from the bank, and there are people that actually don't need the bank. Pay now is still through the bank. You follow what I'm saying? Oh, so and there are convenience and inconvenience. Let's say you don't know internet, then you don't know internet, you must go to the bank and pay to the transaction. You know internet, can go online banking and transfer. Okay, and then decentralized is even more convenient. You don't need a central man. Okay, so even if you don't like you should learn. Do you follow what I'm saying? You cannot say I don't want to learn. When got such thing as buying things online? The same principle. Buy things, right? Last time people must go to the shop. Yes or no? Buy things, people last time must go to the shop. Then after that, people can convenient with Amazon, can buy things online. Next time, do peer-to-peer. Can also do on peer-to-peer sharing digital asset, can also do online. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's just that whole evolution. Okay. Okay. Talk finished already. Okay. Last talk. NWL. But you understand what I'm talking about? Okay. So my point is don't 井里蛙 啦, because our parent last time also 井里蛙, right? Say cannot trust internet. Why if the money get lost and things like that? So next time I say, cannot trust what if you go peer-to-peer, your money get lost? Will it get lost? Yes, will get lost. Okay, but just like online banking got scam, phishing, yes or no? OCBC, things like that, have or not? Have lah. Okay, MetaMask have or not? Have also. Everything also have. Okay. Okay. So but you need to win. You need to know lah. You cannot just 井里蛙means you don't care and just continue status quo. You follow what I'm saying? This is short, swing trade short. Haven't triggered, haven't triggered. Yes or no? Wait for trigger. So trigger will be the low of this candle. Okay, so let's check the price. Low of this candle is 2.95. Okay, slightly lower than 2.95. Got it? Not bad, quite nice. New brand. Okay, good thing. Okay. And by the way, please go and learn. Okay, people don't do peer-to-peer transaction transfer Bitcoin one. Don't have that. Okay, because they can't keep moving. Okay. Okay. Bottom line is must educate yourself. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Bottom line, I'm not saying that must invest in crypto, but must know what is the internet. Must know what is this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Like yes, if you understand, you cannot just say, oh, it's a write-off without knowing. Got it? Okay, you cannot write off without knowing. Just like if our parent time is just write off internet without knowing, then they will be forever out the internet already. Okay. Okay, guys, I think almost at the end. Last call, okay, for S public. If you all want to join us, type in go to this website CollinSeow.com/SWB and join us, okay, in our event. And for the rest, thank you so much, guys, for being here. I appreciate every week for spending time with me. And I hope bottom line, must put that this morning I just messaged my team. I said community before profit. Really, I said community before profit. You must put the community interest first before the profit. Because I see so many NFT projects, right? Those that very successful and those that are successful is where is their starting point. Those very successful is they don't really care about money. They just want to support the community. And those people who are very short term one, they just think about profit. Then very fast, no more community. Okay. Okay. So if not, then thank you very much, guys. Thanks for having me. Appreciate everyone. All the best for you. Okay. Have a good week ahead. See you next week. Bye.